Hey beautiful people, you're welcome to today's video. Here I bring you good news as usual. I want to share this country with you. This country is the most underrated country in the world, whereas this is the easiest country you can migrate to right now. New Zealand is in need of foreign workers, and they have come up with two new visas to attract skilled workers to the country with the aim of giving them permanent residency. New Zealand is currently the easiest country you can move to for work or to settle at the moment. The visa process is also the easiest and the fastest. And what's most important here is that the country needs you. It is always best to go to a country that needs you, and New Zealand needs you right now. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing this good news with you and how you can move down to New Zealand with ease. Here you can move with your family, all right? So if you have a partner, you have dependent children, you want to follow you to New Zealand, you can go with them. And New Zealand is an English-speaking country. Anyway, I'm going to share all the information with you. Just please watch to the end, all right? If it's your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Jackie, and here I share information to open your minds to opportunities that are available to you abroad. So do subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, so next time I share a new video, you'll be notified and you get to watch it. If you'd like to have a one-on-one consultation with me where we're going to talk privately over a call for your own personal needs to move abroad, then do send me an email or you use the links down below. If it's your first time here, please do comment. It is my first time in the comment section, and I have something very special for you. If you want to make $1,000 every month from the comfort of your home without doing anything, then I have the perfect opportunity for you. Here you're going to have a monthly income without doing anything. Have you ever heard of passive income? That money that comes in without you having to actively work for it. That is what I am talking about. So let me tell you exactly how you can make $1,000 every month without doing anything. You can start a publishing business on Amazon KDP. Amazon is the biggest e-commerce platform in the world with over 2 billion active users every month. So they have the customer base that are waiting for you to publish your books so they can purchase them from all around the world. You don't need to be a writer to do this. You're not writing any books because you're publishing public domain books. These are books that are best-selling books globally and are highly in demand at the moment. All you need to do is buy these manuscripts that have already been formatted, edited, and ready to publish. So you buy your manuscripts from www.stackly.com, you publish it on Amazon KDP, and Amazon pays you every month forever. I started my publishing business over 6 years ago the same way, and I still get paid today for doing nothing. When you buy a pack of manuscripts, Stackly is going to give you a free training that is going to be a step-by-step guide on how to start and how to be successful in the business. It's going to show you how to create your KDP account, how to publish your books, and how to get paid to your local bank account anywhere in the world. You also get the privilege of joining an exclusive publishers group that has publishers from all around the world. So when you buy your pack of manuscripts from Stackly, do send me an email so I can add you to the group. Stackly currently has 4 manuscript packs you can buy. There's a pack of 30 manuscripts, 60 manuscripts, 150 manuscripts, and 300 manuscripts. Feel free to buy anyone you can afford, but I highly recommend the pack of 300 because obviously that is where you get to make the most money, and that is exactly what I did. I got my 300 pack of manuscripts from Stackly over 6 years ago, and I am getting paid every month for doing nothing. So buy your manuscripts from stackly.com, publish your books on Amazon, sit back and get paid every month forever. All the links are in the description box below, or send me an email and I'll share the information with you. New Zealand is one of the best countries in the world. Everything that you're looking for in a country where you would love to live, settle, raise a family, have children, New Zealand has it all. New Zealand is the 3rd safest country in the world. So if you're not living in Iceland or Ireland, then New Zealand is safer than where you are. They have an amazing work-life balance, high salaries, awesome weather, beautiful scenery, access to healthcare, and top-notch education. New Zealand has it all. And the best news for you is that they need workers like you. There are several pathways to settle in New Zealand. You can even settle in New Zealand if you go as a tourist. They have a very defined clear pathway to come into New Zealand as a visitor, get a job offer, and settle in the country. You can also move to New Zealand as a student. They have one of the prestigious scholarships in the world where the government sponsors foreign students to get educated in the country. And then they have so many work visas you can explore. There's a work visa where you get to land New Zealand as a permanent resident. Yes, New Zealand is one of those few countries that have direct PR pathways for foreign skilled workers. They also have another pathway where you can live in New Zealand for a year or two when you get your permanent residency, and you can eventually get your citizenship in the country. It is an English-speaking country. I know how much you love English-speaking countries, and they have jobs in key sectors like ICT and technology, fintech, healthcare. The healthcare industry is booming. There are jobs for doctors and nurses, physicians, healthcare assistants, elderly carers, so many occupations here in the country. And I have an ebook for those that want to go work in New Zealand. I put together all the key information you need about moving to New Zealand. Information about the labor market, information about all the visas that you can leverage, information about how to go as a permanent resident, how to get your permanent residency, how to land a visa sponsorship job. I have a list of all the shortage occupations in New Zealand so you can know how to best position yourself to land a visa sponsorship job. I also have a list of employers in New Zealand, so direct contacts to the employers in New Zealand that can sponsor your visa is all in the ebook. This ebook is loaded, and I took my time to put together all this information so that everyone that buys this ebook will have clarity and confidence to land that visa sponsorship job in New Zealand within the shortest possible time. Buying this ebook is like me holding your hand and guiding you on the step-by-step process to move to New Zealand for work. I am super excited for everyone that is going to be getting this ebook. So use the link in the description below to get your copy, or send me an email and I'll share the link with you to get your own copy. If you want to move to New Zealand, trust me, this is one ebook you need to get. This ebook is for everybody in all occupations, so grab your copy today. So let us talk about this announcement by New Zealand Immigration. The headlines are everywhere, and Reuters has it like this. They say New Zealand loosens path to residency for some migrants. This was published on September 23, 2025. It says here the New Zealand government said on Tuesday it was introducing 2 new pathways for migrants to gain residency as part of their efforts to boost the country's economy. Economic Growth Minister Nicola Willis said in the statement that skilled and experienced migrants play an important role in plugging workforce gaps and in turn help businesses to grow. So you see what they've said here. They said that skilled and experienced migrants play an important role in the nation's economy. And that is one thing that I always advise you all to look out for. Go to a country that values you. Go to a country that recognizes your own contributions to its growth. And New Zealand is that country at the moment. I would tell you New Zealand is the best country you can move to right now, and the easiest. So being the best means that they need you and it's easy to go, all right? There are some countries you really want to go to, you're desperate to go to, but you can't, all right? They won't let you in. So I rank New Zealand the best because they have the opportunities for you, they need you, they value you, and you can easily move to New Zealand for work. So let us see it from the New Zealand immigration website. This is immigration.gov.nz. The announcement was on the 23rd of September, and it says changes to the skilled migrant category resident visa announced. The government has announced changes to the skilled migrant category resident visa that will help employers retain skilled workers and support long-term economic growth. 2 new residence pathways will be introduced under the skilled migrant category resident visa. The skilled work experience pathway, which is for migrants in skilled roles, skill level 1 to 3, with at least 5 years of directly relevant work experience, including 2 years in the New Zealand earning at least 1.1 times the median wage. And the second one is a trades and technician pathway. This is for migrants in specific trades or technician roles who hold a relevant level 4 or higher qualification and have at least 4 years of post-qualification experience. These pathways are designed to better reflect the value of practical skills and migrants' contribution to New Zealand's workforce. You can see they've said it here again. The changes also include increased points for New Zealand university level qualifications, making it easier for graduates to transition to residence. This supports the International Education Plan for Growth by recognizing the value of local qualifications and encouraging international students to study here. What did I say earlier? New Zealand just has a very clear pathway for everyone to come in and settle. They are encouraging you to come in as a student. They even have funding for you where you can study for free in New Zealand. I'm going to do a separate video about those that want to study. And then they also have pathways for visitors. So if you're a visitor in New Zealand, you can stay back and work. Yeah. So all those pathways do exist, and I'll be doing videos, to share these opportunities with you. But if you'd like to speak to me one-on-one about this, where I can just share what works for you as an individual, you can feel free to book a one-on-one consultation with me. Let's get to talk over a call. I help family and friends move abroad. There are many ways I can help you move to New Zealand. So please do reach out to me. Let's talk about that. The New Zealand work experience requirements will be modestly reduced for some current pathways, yeah? So even the pathways that are not mentioned here, they're still finding ways to reduce the entry barrier, all right? So it'll be easier for more people to qualify for them. This change reduces the amount of New Zealand work experience required for most migrants from a maximum of 3 years to a minimum of 2 years. This helps improve the international competitiveness of the SMC settings to better attract and retain skilled and talented migrants. Other changes also include removing the requirement to have an increased wage rate when applying for residence. Instead, migrants will only need to maintain the same median wage rate throughout their required period of New Zealand work experience. So they have here a summary of the changes to SMC. So you can see all the changes here. Yeah? You can maybe read this on your own. Just go through the entire list to see everything. I'll drop the link below. So that is it. New Zealand really needs you. What better time to move to New Zealand? So grab my ebook so you can have all the resources you need to land a visa sponsorship job in New Zealand, get to move with your family, and enjoy such an amazing country. Let me know what you think about this video. Please drop a comment below. I'd really love to read from you. Share the video with everyone you know. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more videos from me. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. Let us see you in the next video.